Well, look, if you're thinking about selling your house, you want to make sure it appeals to everyone who's taking a look. And it takes more than just tidying up a bit to get the sale.
Yeah, professionals can set the stage for potential buyers to see the home of their dreams right when they walk through the door. We're at this beautiful home on Queens Road West to show you the power of staging a home that is for sale. Joining us now is Realtor Laurie Bell. Staging made all the difference with this space.
Absolutely. Most homeowners, when their home is on the market, they know to keep it clean and decluttered and picked up. But taking the extra step of staging your home can significantly affect the way and the value that a buyer will place on your home. And consequently, that affects the bottom line that the homeowner is able to get when selling their home.
As a seller, you can get more money, and that's why you've enlisted the help of MELINDA Smith, who is a life designer, and designer Leo Dowell. We can't wait to see what you've done to this house. I cannot believe this transformation here in this home. Melinda, as a stager and a designer, what were you going for in creating this room?
Well, really, staging is all about being able to create a lifestyle and emotion and excitement and getting them to walk through the door and go, you know, take their breath away. We try to stay authentic to what the home is and to the people that would purchase the home, and to really think about who they are and how they live their life.
So Leo, that's really what you're going for. You want buyers to envision themselves living in this home.
Yeah, exactly. What we wanted to do is not fill the house, every corner, every inch of it, because when somebody looks at a house like this, they want to introduce their own lifestyle. But we wanted to hint at a lifestyle. All the furniture you see in these rooms was given to us by a company called Regina Andrew. So we thought it was a great opportunity to show people a glimpse of what you could put in here, whether they want to go contemporary or stay, you know, authentic French.
Okay, so Leo, here we are in the dining room. I noticed you didn't put any chairs here at this table, and that was on purpose.
That was on purpose because we didn't want to set in somebody's mind, whoever buys the house, that they could only use the dining room twice a year, Thanksgiving and Christmas, like most people think. So by putting a stone table on here, it gives it a feeling of permanence and authenticity.
Here we are in this beautiful master bedroom, which I have to say, without furniture, looked a lot smaller. What were you going for in here, Leo?
Well, we wanted to stay a little more traditional in here, so I had this beautiful tapestry, so we hung it behind the bed as a headboard. But this was just to show somebody how far you could go if you really wanted a fairy tale castle.
Melinda, you agree with me that this room looked much smaller before there was furniture in it.
Very much so, and I think that's the biggest obstacle with most buyers is they get into a home, and if there's not furniture in a particular room, especially the master, they start wondering, will my king size bed fit in it? As you can tell with the Sweet Dreams mattress, king size will accommodate all their furniture that they could potentially want. The Frenzy rug definitely fits the space, and again makes it more spacious.
Okay, you two, tell us about this room. What is this space?
Well, this is a multi-purpose room that could not only be a rec room or a potential bedroom, but it gives a buyer, again, getting them away from just having one purpose for a room and getting them to really think about how could they live in the space, how could they utilize the space. And one of the things that potential buyers struggle with is being able to have an imagination about, you know, what could I use the space for? People could watch TV, they could relax, read a book. It could become even a teenager's hangout.
So this is really the statement we're making is multi-purpose. We can make it anything you want. Everything's wired, everything's here, whatever your lifestyle is.
Well, you've done an excellent job. I know it was a beautiful canvas to begin with, but the two of you have really done a great job. Thank you so much for this tour.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We've been watching the progress at this home as a team remodeled, renovated, and got it ready to go on the market. Laurie Bell is the realtor. You can reach Laurie at 704-516-1726. I'll save it again, 704-516-1726, or log on to lauriebellrealty.com, lauriebellrealty.com. And Chris Hoffman with Southern Cottage led the renovations at the home. His number is 704-469-9417. Again, 704-469-9417. You can also visit him online at southerncottage.net, southerncottage.net.